Hello guys, thank you to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's hair tutorial. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Here's a wig right here from WowAfrican. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the specs on it. So this is the blowout kinky straight bob Indian hair lace front wig, and I have it in 14 inches and it also comes in 12 inches. So I'm going to give you guys a little close-up of the inside, the construction of the wig. So you have your 3 combs at the top, your 1 comb in the back. And the one thing I like about this wig right here is the fact that it comes with the elastic band where you can detach it if you want to. Like if you don't want to like glue the wig down, you can use the elastic band, but if you don't need it, you can take it out and you can adjust it to your head size. So that's a plus. But let's just go ahead and get into the application. One thing I love about this wig is the fact that it comes already bleached, like the knots are already bleached. That is one step that I hate doing, and lately when I apply my wigs, I don't even bleach the knots. I'm just like, you know what, I don't have time for it. I'll put some foundation on it or something. And it also comes pre-plucked, so I didn't do any plucking to the hairline just because I want to apply it just straight out the box and just show you guys what it looks like, because a lot of people really, a lot of people really don't know how to properly pluck the frontal and to get it looking realistic. So I really love when I get wigs that's already pre-plucked and then it looks like really good. Most of the time I still go in and pluck out, but today I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this wig. So far so good. I love the way that it looks. It looks really natural. It looks like my actual hair blown out. I'm going to go ahead and spray 1 layer of the Got To Be Glue spray.
I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line.
So one thing I like to do when I'm applying the wig for the first time, I know some people cut the lace, some people don't cut the lace, but I actually like to leave the lace on, especially the first time applying the wig. It just gives me more control of what lace to leave on and what to cut and what not to cut. One thing I think people forget to do is cut the ear flaps, and that's one thing that I would always forget to do, and I was getting ready to forget now, but I was just sitting here, I'm like, why is this not fitting good? And it's because I haven't cut the ear flaps. And the thing with the ear flaps, you want to bring it down to where you want the wig to go. Once you have it there, you want to go right here to the side where the ear flap is. You see this extra part right here? You need to cut over top of your ear. I hope I'm making sense. But the one mistake that I always used to make was I would cut right here in the front, and that messes up your lace. It's going to mess up your whole wig application, your sideburns. So you want to make sure you come up on the side right here. Make sure you're not cutting right here, this sideburn part, but come right behind it and cut upward. I'm going to try to show you guys the best of my ability while looking in the mirror. So give me a second.
So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read.
Boom. So once you cut that little flap off, you're going to see that it fits so much better. You see how this comes down now? Like, that's going to make a heck of a difference with your wig application. So make sure you cut the ear flaps.
And we reach a point we can't rewind.
So I'm just going to go ahead and spray. I'm going to use my blow dryer today to make this process a little bit quicker. Alright, so now that you have your wig already like glued down with the Got To Be Glue spray, you can go in and cut off the lace. I am going to let it dry a little longer, so I'm going to go ahead and just wrap.
Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just
So to Tame the Flyaways, I put some Vaseline on my hand and I just brushed it down. So I'm just going to go in with some concealer to define my part a little bit because I just don't like that look. And I'm thinking I might have to go in a little bit more over here and straighten the wig out. Y'all see how that looks? It makes a heck of a difference. A heck of a difference when you go in the part with a little concealer, or you could use some foundation powder. So I'm just going to set it with some foundation powder. So this is the final look, and I really love the way that it looks. It really looks natural. It looks like my natural hair, like my natural hair texture and everything when my hair is blown out. So I'm a fan of this wig. All the information will be linked down below in the description box. They are doing some sales, so I would definitely, you know, go ahead, head over there and check it out. See if you see anything you like. But yeah, I love this wig. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I love it. The one thing I need right here in the front, I need some layers right here so it can just like feather back. But I don't even want to cut this wig and like mess it up. So yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me know down below what you guys think. But I will see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays.